Hello everyone, today we will be learning about the nitrogen cycle and how it affects not only our nation, but the entire world.
Is whenever lightning facilitates the atmospheric nitrogen, which then converts into nitrogen monoxide slash nitrogen dioxide, which then goes in to turn into nitric acid, which then goes into the soil, turning it into nitrate ion. Keep in mind this only accounts for 10% of all the conversions of nitrogen into usable forms for animals. And then the next one we have is biological fixation, is whenever we take atmospheric nitrogen, which then goes into the root nodules, which is facilitated by the bacteria, thus turning into ammonia slash ammonium ion. Keep in mind that although NH4 is a form of nitrogen which can be used by plants, it's not the preferred form.
Animal elimination is whenever animals excrete, which then turns into ammonia.
Ammonification is when bacteria breaks down decaying animals, causing NH3/NH4, which is also known as ammonia or ammonium ion.
The Haber-Bosch process is whenever it's like in the fertilizer three components, which is the N2 atmospheric nitrogen, and it's man-made, which is a NH3/NH4 ammonium ion.
The next one we have is nitrification, which involves the ammonia slash ammonium ion to then convert through the bacteria to turn into nitrate ion, which then again uses bacteria again to turn into nitrate ion. There's a different type of bacteria that facilitates each.
For denitrification, it utilizes N2, which is the atmosphere nitrogen, and also it goes into the bacteria, which eventually ends up being NO3, which is nitrate ion.
And then we follow uptake by plants, which is whenever plants get the nitrogen, and it's part of the cycle, and plants prefer NO3, which is a nitrate ion.
And the next one we have is uptake by animals, which is whenever the nitrogen, which must come from the plants because animals cannot absorb it from the atmospheric nitrogen, and they just use it in the plants and able to consume it.
And that is the nitrogen cycle.